Hello, this is Dr. Duresti with the Cranial Release Technique, and I am so thrilled to announce that because of the Integrative Health School platform, the Cranial Release Technique Online Training Program is now available in Portuguese in Brazil. As a chiropractor here in New York City since 1985, I've always been looking for the best way to help my patients. Well, in 2005, I came up with something called the Cranial Release Technique. The Cranial Release Technique is a 1-minute technique that helps to open and align the 22 bones that make up the cranium. So with this plastic model, the cranium is breathing. That's normal. That's natural, that optimizes function in the body. But because of stresses, traumas, other injuries that happen throughout life, the cranium closes, twists, shifts, and now breathes with much more difficulty than it should. The cranial release technique is a 1-minute technique which helps to open, align, and restore the normal breathing of the cranium. When you apply this technique to a patient, whether you're a chiropractor, a medical doctor, a dentist, an osteopath, a physical therapist, massage therapist, athletic trainer, you work with athletes, you work with children, you work with the elderly, regardless of what you do and how you do it, if you would add the 1-minute cranial release technique, you would then optimize central nervous system function. You would balance the brain hemispheres right to left, balance the spine and pelvis, release the fascial restrictions throughout the body, balance muscular tension throughout the body, balance the autonomic nervous system, sympathetic and parasympathetic, and you've changed everything in the client, and then you can go in and do whatever other special techniques or therapy that you've been trained in. In my opinion, everything works better with the cranial release technique. Every other technique that you use on a client, acupuncture also, works better with the cranial release technique. Again, I want to thank the Integrative Health School platform for sponsoring the cranial release technique, where you can learn everything there is to know in the privacy of your home or office on the computer through video and written manuals, PowerPoints of how to learn the cranial release technique and then to bring it into practice and start helping patients live a happier, healthier, more fulfilling life. Again, this is Dr. Duresti with the Cranial Release Technique, and I'd like to say obrigado for your time and attention, and I would invite you to learn the Cranial Release Technique. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.